Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. I'm going to catch you up on some of my journaling in my Hobonichi cousin Avec. So grab your planner or your journal or a cup of coffee and just hang out with me. So I'm starting with this really pretty rust-colored washi with hearts on it. It came on a little washi card that one of you guys sent me with beautiful washi tapes. I love it when you guys include little washi sampler cards in your Happy Mail because I have so much fun washi to use, like little samples that I wouldn't have if I didn't have you amazing people. So the stickers were also sent to me in Happy Mail. And they're just like that beautiful fall color kind of theme. So that's what I was sort of sticking with for these pages. This is for last, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So today is Saturday. I'm doing this voiceover. So I sat down and did a few days at the same time. If you guys have trouble with your hump, journaling over the hump, look at what I just did with mine. Like flip more towards the beginning of your journal and then fold it kind of back on itself, and then you can hold it down so it makes that that hump a little bit easier to manage when you start to get kind of thick at the end. So that's one little tip. It's kind of hard to explain exactly what I just said. There's like a herd of elephants running in my house. What's happening? Oh my goodness. I know you guys can't hear that, but there's like slamming and running, and I don't know what's going on. I'm using the American Crafts seasonal sticker book, and there was Thanksgiving stickers, so I stuck those in there, and I used my Sprocket to print out some mini pictures of Thanksgiving. Now, I wanted to make sure that I mentioned in this video that I think a Sprocket would be an amazing gift for someone that you love that likes to journal or memory keep. I love my Sprocket. I really do, guys. If you can still get them on Amazon, I'll link it below if I can find one. I mean, mine is old now, so I don't even know. They've probably got a bunch of different versions, but I love it and I use it so much. So I don't know, just an idea if you're looking for Christmas gifts. This piece of collage, the Everything's Gravy, was in a Real Simple from November, and I cut it out and I was like, oh, I'm using that on Thanksgiving because I mean, I'm obsessed with gravy. I love it. I could drink gravy. No, yeah, I could. I was about to say no, I'm not that gross, but yes, I am. I really am. I put that little radio because we had the Alexa. What is all the slamming happening in my house? We had Alexa playing Christmas music. I don't know. I kept confusing Christmas and Thanksgiving on my chalkboard voiceover because I just have Christmas in my mind. I guess I just skipped right over Thanksgiving, even though I have so much to be thankful for. So, you know. I wanted to journal about that in this spread. I was sent these beautiful like little phrases, the love, hope, praise, and I put those in there, and that little die cut that says love your face. I thought that was so sweet, and I do love their faces. They're kind of my faves. So I put some beautiful like yellow heart washi over on the other page, and that one was from oh, it's from Michaels. What's the artist who has stuff at Michaels? I'm going to forget now. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. But it was a collection that she had there. And then that Baking Fun and Facts was a piece of collage. And I put a picture of Michael and Addie getting ready to bake the pies on Thursday night. Because she is the one that loves to cook with him. So I just thought that was so cute. And on Thursday, I kind of wrote down like a Thanksgiving prayer, the things that I was praying for Thanksgiving, and then just that Addie was the chef's helper, and Henry, he's not big on the cooking, but he said that he was the dinner entertainment. And he was. Oh, I love him. And let's see, I'm sticking in what? I swear her voiceover radar is like the military should hire this girl to help them do something. Okay, I put a circle sticker in, and then I wrote that, I put a little Garanian cat sticker flake of them watching movies. Those I ordered from Amazon. It was like a 4-pack of cat sticker flakes, and they're super cute. And let's see. I was writing about how they were prep cooking for Thursday, like getting the pie crusts ready and all that stuff. And I used one of my samplers from my Shine Sticker Studio orders. And then I showed you guys how I did my chalkboard in the kitchen, which turned out so stinking cute. And so then somebody said, I want to do that in my journal. And then I was like, so do I. So I did it in my journal. And I didn't have any of those like primary colors, like kind of thick tipped markers. Don't ask me how I didn't have any of those in my collection, but I borrowed Addie's like Crayola markers and used those for the little lights. And I just think it's the cutest little doodle. I had so much fun. I know you guys were probably like, gosh, she really takes that chalkboard seriously. But it's just, I don't know, it's a calming activity for me. I know, like, why would I spend so much time on it? But I just really enjoy doing it. I don't know why. It's one of those things, like sorting Legos. It's a Zen activity. So, whatever you can find that zens you out, do it. I put in that little cat card, and I loved that, with a Sprocket picture on the back of the kids doing like pixel art on the computer, and Fatty laying underneath the tiny Christmas tree in Michael's office. I was trying to have coffee with my parents, and of course, I mean, we have a big house that we could all spread out in different rooms and be completely at peace, but the minute I am somewhere, the magnetic force turns on and they end up right at my feet, which I love. I mean, I kind of love it. I kind of sometimes hate it, but that's motherhood in a nutshell. So anyways, I used a bunch of pig and cat stickers, like little baking stickers, and then, let's see, what else did I put in here? A bunch of the pig and cat, pretty much. Those are from Amazon, and I link them below. I've had several sets of these that I just keep using, and I love them. There's like little pig sheets, and then there's little cat sheets, and they're so stinking cute. And then I put in some baking ones on Thursday too, like the little cat's holding up a whisk. I just love it. Oh, I cannot get over these like cute journaling stickers. I just love them. And then I kind of put a little pig, like putting his dukes up, because I had to go over to my parents and drop off a piece of Tupperware and my dad's Dossier cologne that I had ordered for him, the Chanel Blue, like kind of knockoff, or not a knockoff, but the their interpretation. And he loved it. And I was like, hey, listen, when I'm there, I am going to take your back massager back to my house with me, because I need it. I got some big knots in my back, and so I was prepared to fight for it, basically. I just kind of told her I was taking it. So I did take it, and I bought that for them on Amazon, and I think I use it more than they do. It's like this big old thing that you sling over your shoulders, and it like rubs your back and it heats up. It's amazing. I love it. I can link it below if I can still find it on Amazon. It makes a great gift. And it works. I mean, because I like a deep kind of tissue massage, and this like really gets in there, because the knots in my back are for real. And then, so on to Friday. I put that really pretty, like kind of, I don't know if they're clouds or what they are, that washi. Somebody sent it to me, and I think they're so pretty. Put that down below. And then I put a little Molang cup of coffee sticker flake up at the top, because I had a short Zoom coffee with my mom and dad, because Addie was losing her goddamn mind. So that's kind of what these stickers are. These little everyday life girl stickers, I basically are like ones to represent how annoyed I was. And I totally get that it's not their fault. Like, this is so hard for them to be stuck, like, inside with no friends to play with. But we're making the best of it. when we can get outside, we try and get outside. So I love those words that I cut out from a magazine, Moms Who Cried Uncle, because Friday I basically was like, I'm waving the white flag. I don't, I can't do this. So I was trying to brainstorm, like, how can we all be in a better mood and survive this quarantine? And then I came up with this fabulous idea to train like for a little walk run 5K with the kids, and it will get us outside and it will get us moving. And I thought it was a super fun idea, and they were less than thrilled about the idea. But I said, look guys, this is gonna be awesome and it's gonna be so great, and we're gonna do this couch to 5K and we're gonna do it together. And Addie was more enthused about the idea, but Henry was like,
Mommy, really? So this is how it all ends. I'm only 10. I'm supposed to have my whole life ahead of me.
I was like, Henry, I'm not asking you to trek to Siberia with all of your belongings on your back. I'm asking you to walk down the block with me. So, I don't know. I love jogging, and so does my husband. He's a runner. I'm like a lumbering sort of jogger. So I want to foster that love with the kids and see if maybe it's something that they could enjoy doing too. And it's like just 20 minutes, here and there to try and do it. So I thought it'll get us outside. Hopefully it'll boost all of our moods and, have a good effect on us. And then the one thing that actually convinced the kids that we should go was that they were like, are you going to film it for your channel? I was like, well, how in the world would I film? How would I do that? And they're like, well, you could just tell your subscribers, because they're just dying to be a part of everything. And so I said, okay, I will tell them about it and we can all do it together, and we'll call it the Weasel Walk 5K. So that is what we're doing. We're training for the winter weasel walk. So I will post the training schedule, and it is a beginner, novice, couch to 5K training program, and we are going to do a lot of walking because, as my son mentioned, he might die. So if you want to take part with us, just to get yourself outside and to boost our moods this winter, I would love it. So stay tuned for more information on that, because we're going to be some walking weasels, and hopefully it's going to make us happier weasels. Hopefully. God, I hope so. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.